What's up, good people? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If it's your second time or third time or fourth time, or you're always a member, I appreciate you. Like, kisses to you. But wait, if it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe before you leave and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any single thing that I get to post. So on today's video, I'm looking at this side because my YouTube book is right here. So on today's video, I'm going to talk to you about 5 keys to positive personality. You want to have that positivity in you and positive vibes going around your life. These are keys that will help you achieve that. The first key to a positive personality is positive people. So you need to hang around people who think positively, like all the time. They look at the good things, or rather they see the good things in each and every situation. Whether it's a negative situation, they will try and focus on the positive side of it. So try and hang around such people, because when you do, you will automatically become positive, you know. So choose wisely the people that you hang around. If you hang around someone who's always talking negative, like they never see any positive thing in life, you will become like them, because they say that birds of feathers flock together. So if you hang around negative people. The second key to a positive personality is positive affirmations. Like, how do you talk to yourself? What do you tell yourself? What do you tell yourself when you wake up? What do you tell yourself when you look at yourself in the mirror? Yes, what are some of the things that you talk to yourself and tell yourself about? Are they positive? So let me use an example. I have my the current book that I'm reading, which is this one right here, and I think I've shared before on my live stream. I have a bookmark on it, and the bookmark I'm using, or rather the one that is inside, is this one, which was designed by moi. This one here, which have very positive stuff, like positive things going on. Number one is I am. Of course you can see it's written. I don't know if it can focus, but maybe yeah. So I am kind, I am sincere, I am considerate, I am resourceful, I am understanding, I am caring, I'm brave, I'm fair, I'm loyal, I'm patient, I'm committed, I'm reliable, I'm kind, I'm learning, I'm gentle, I'm polite, I'm encouraging, I'm sensible. There are so many things. All these things. When I'm reading this book, and sometimes I'm just like, I'm actually honest. I'm very creative, I'm very passionate, I'm fearless, I'm very strong, I'm blessed, you know. So telling yourself such kind of things just make you, it's like you're feeding positive stuff into you. So you need to think of yourself as a positive person. You need to think of the positive things about you as a person, and that way I think you'll definitely have a positive personality. Yep. So the third key, that is 6. The third key to a positive personality is practice positive health habits. Does that make sense? Like, practice positive health habits. For example, one of my morning rituals is usually to do a workout, and after I do that workout, I usually feel very good. I'm not telling you all to do your workouts, but there is something that you can be doing. It can be maybe reading something positive in the morning. It can be maybe just listening to someone, reading a book, anything that you get to do in the morning, or rather during whichever time you want to do that habit, like you want to practice that positive health habit. It can be maybe taking glasses of water, maybe 2 glasses of water when you wake up. It doesn't have to be exercise like mine, but you know, something that adds to your body, something that makes you feel good. And when you do something that makes your body feel good, you will definitely feel good within, like, your heart. You'll just be at peace, you'll just be feeling good, and you'll be having that positive vibe going on. I believe practicing positive health habits is one of the key to achieving a positive personality. So that is something that you can try, that I'm also trying, I keep doing, for me to have a positive, you know, kind of vibe going on in my life, you know. The fourth thing, which sounds like maybe I've mentioned it on my other 3 points, is feed your mind and soul with positive stuff. It can be maybe listening to music that is very positive. It can be reading a positive book, or maybe a personal development book that makes you feel good and makes something that makes you feel like you're ready to go work towards achieving those goals, something that just motivates you, something positive. It can be listening to positive talks in the morning, maybe listening to a positive speech done by someone that maybe is your role model. You know, when you want to have a positive personality, you have to feed your mind and soul with positive vibes. There's no way you're gonna be watching horrible, terrible stuff and then you expect your mind to be positive. I know there are some sad movies that might be very inspirational, But again, just try and feed your mind with stuff that are going to help you become a better person and even make you think more positively. There's a time I watched a movie called Listen to Your Heart. Yeah, Listen to Your Heart. This movie made me start, like, after watching it, I felt like I need to go for my dreams. I need to do every single thing that I want to do before I die. Can you imagine? Like, I just watched it and I just liked it so much and I learned so much from it. And there are so many other movies or maybe documentaries that we all get to watch that impact our life differently and in a very positive way. So just try and feed your mind and soul with something positive. I believe that's another key. The last key to a positive personality is by having positive expectations. Let me use example of, let's say when you come up with your goals, maybe in the beginning of the year, whichever time, or maybe weekly goals, and you're thinking of achieving something, look at the result in a positive way. Don't look at the negative side too much. Don't focus on the negative side. And if you want to think of the negative side, think of the solution that you're going to give to that negative side. So look at the positive side of it, because there's no problem that can't be solved. So when you're looking at something, let's say you have set a goal of achieving 500 subscribers this year. That was my target. So I will try all my best to make sure that I get there. You understand? Like, I will just think of ways of how this is going to happen. I'm not going to think of how it's not going to happen. So I'm just trying to have positive expectations whenever I set these goals. And I feel like if you want to have a positive personality, we have to start thinking like having positive expectations, and that way we'll be able to achieve our goals. Can you imagine setting your goals and you're already thinking the way you're going to feel? Like, I think that is just attracting negative vibes into your life. So just having positive expectations will make us have a positive personality. So we've come to the end of this video. If you've made it this far and you liked this video, kindly thumbs up. Feel free to share with your friends so that they can also get to learn these keys to a positive personality. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press that lady that you're seeing over there. And until next week Wednesday, good people,